This is one of those projects that's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better. It's been a while now, I'm not sure exactly how long. It feels like almost a year since I bought this dust collector, and I've just been kind of pushing it around on this dolly thing, and it hasn't really had a home. I've been tripping over this hose because I haven't permanently mounted the thing. So today we're gonna fix that. I want to redo this whole back wall and tear out this corner and build a closet for this dust collector, maybe put a little insulation in the wall so that way it's kind of noise reduced. I don't want to fully seal it in because the airflow, I don't think it'd be a good idea to fully block it, but if we can like wall it in, put a little insulation in it. Ew. Don't get distracted. God, is it heavy. I gotta figure out how do you get a hold of your Snap-on dealer? I know there's like a guy in my neighborhood who has a truck, but I don't know how to find him. I tried looking once, I don't know how it works, but I digress. That could be another project where we give this thing some love and I explain how that works. My iPod from when I was in middle school, probably. I wonder if it works. Little kid power saw that makes some fun noise. I think I bought it at yard sale for like a quarter. Oh, okay. All right, I can pick it up. It's just heavy. Okay, progress. I can re-grip now. Now I can squat. So I got it all cleared out and I vacuumed a bunch of the dust and debris that was in it. I think now the only thing to do is to start hacking away at this thing. Ooh. There we go. I was feeling really confident about this, but as I've looked at it, I realized that for one, the insulation being, I should have put the insulation in from the inside because the fuzzy pink side of it all is going to be exposed to where if there's any like dust leaks, it's just going to collect all over that. I tried to make it as small as I could because I don't want it to take up any more space than it has to, but as I look at it, it's too small. The dust collector will never come out of this closet. I basically built it into it permanently. And I can't even get the bag out without like taking the thing apart. So time to take it all apart again. I've managed to screw this up every possible way. So this is going challenging. I think it's time to stop for the day. Ever since I bought these M12 impacts, or I bought the drill and impact kit one day, I found it on sale somewhere with an extra battery kind of deal. I found myself grabbing them all the time. I have the M18 hammer drill and like the bigger impact, which is actually shorter this way, which is nice. There's definitely a place for both, but I keep finding myself grabbing these ones, and I just find it interesting that like how far batteries have come. There was a time where like 12 volt stuff was just trash, and even 18 volt stuff like wasn't very good. But we've come a long way. This one's just a filler strip, almost a trim piece. But I still want it to look nice. You lying sacks of shit. 4-inch diameter. 4-inch diameter my ass. Well, that ain't gonna f***ing work. I bought a bunch of random shit. The intent of making this dust collection connect to my table saw. So I bought some elbows. I was gonna do PVC pipe for this, but in esta economia, freaking expansive. Yeah, that little joggerooski should work well. Oh, I could connect 2 zip ties together. We're gonna be okay. It's expensive, but we're gonna be okay. And here you have it. The dust closet is done. The sound is definitely a lot quieter. It's not silent by any means, but it's kind of a low drone instead of a deafening screaming noise that makes the videos hard to film and just is not great for your ears. As you can see, I've already added a fan to the front of this thing. It's been extremely hot here in Pittsburgh and I needed some airflow. The dust and the heat was just killing me last week while I was working in here. So we upgraded to a little fan. I don't love the way this looks, but it's extremely functional in the heat. So we're gonna keep it. I was thinking I may add some nails and screws and things and hang some tools off of this. I don't love how this has just become one giant white blob. Still need to get a door handle for this, and then inside here is just kind of becoming a storage closet as well, which I like, being able to keep brooms and things in here. But currently this dust collection hose is just a dryer hose and it's really not that great. So I'm gonna probably switch that out for some actual flexible dust collector hose that I can quickly disconnect as I need to get in here, as well as I need to mount this cord still. It's just hanging, but it seems to work, so probably one of those projects that'll never get done. Thank you guys for watching this one. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure you're subscribed so you can keep up to date with what I've got going on here in the shop, and I will see you guys on the next one.